In this video I'm going to show you how to add an event reminder to Instagram feed post. It's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First you need to open up Instagram and then you need to start creating a post like you normally do it. I tap on the plus icon, then I select post option. Here I need to select any photo or video file, let it be that file. Type next again, and here I can see add reminder feature. If I will tap on it, here I can set the name of the reminder, let it be test, and start time of the event. For example, it will be today at 20 p.m. I selected a time and tap on done, and now I can finish setting up the reminder. I just tap done here, and then I can continue editing post like I usually do. I can write here something, tap OK, and share this post, and when this post will be publishing, I will see at the left bottom corner I will see the reminder about this event. If any kind of person will tap here, this pop-up window will appear and any person can tap on remind me button to get a remind about this event. The notification about this event will be sent in 24 hours before the event begins, in 15 minutes before the event begins, and just when it starts. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.